sorry if you can hear my AC. It's literally right over there and it's so loud. So a couple months ago, I bought this tie-dyeing kit from Michael's and it's been sitting in my closet since like April. So yesterday I went to Walmart and I just got a few plain white t-shirts to tie-dye. This one is plain white. I like my t-shirts very big and baggy, so I got one extra large. Then I found this was the only muscle tee they had, and I love a good muscle tee. This was also an extra large, the only one that they had. And then I kind of wanted one shirt that had like some sort of graphic or like writing on it, so I found one. They randomly had a bunch of Squid Game t-shirts and it happened to be plain white with like a little bit of writing on it, and I was like, okay, that's perfect. So I'm gonna tie-dye a Squid Game t-shirt. I have not opened this kit. It's supposed to come with 3 different types of dyes. So it's got sky blue, yellow, and candy red. So the 3 dyes, a cloth, 20 elastic bands, the protective gloves, and then the instructions. So, oh my god, my AC finally went off. I hope the audio is fine. So yeah, I'm gonna take the tags off of all these shirts. I'm gonna soak them in warm water, wring them out. Apparently it's better if they're damp when you're doing the tie-dyeing. So I'm gonna go soak these shirts in some warm water and we'll come back in a little bit. Okay, hello again. I just wrung these out and boy are my arms tired. Okay, so now it's time to like tie them up. I think I'm gonna do all of them just like the kind of twist from the center. I'll put a picture up. Not too shabby. Okay, that's what the first one looks like. Y'all, this was kind of a bad idea to do outside because it's literally so dirty on the bottom. I literally just power washed this deck with the hose like the other day and that happened. So okay, I'm gonna do the muscle tee next. That's the muscle tee. This shit low-key therapeutic though. Number 3, and this is the plain t-shirt. All right, now it's finally time to dye. Okay, this is the first one, the Squid Game shirt. I think it looks kind of sick. Tie-dyeing is fun. That's the second one. Not too shabby. I mean, and the last one. Okay, so that's what they look like. This is the top half. Now, I think I can just flip it over and do the bottom half. Okay, so this is what they ended up looking like. This is the second side for both of these, and then I ran out of dye, as you can probably tell. I think it'll still look cool, but yeah. And then this one, basically the second side for this one has nothing on it, so just like a little bit of stains. So yeah, I don't know, I think they'll still end up looking really cool. This one is probably the most covered one. Yeah, this one I ran out, but at least that side looks better, I guess. Good stuff. It is the next day now. I just got home from work and I'm about to untie them and see what they look like. I'm a little nervous. It does look like a kindergarten child made this, but maybe that's just my own insecurities projecting themselves. Maybe it'll be cool, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna show you what they look like. It's a little windy, but yeah. Oh my god. Whoa! Why is that actually so cool? Look at that! Either I'm super stoned or that is f***ing cool. I love rainbow. Okay. That's so sick, man. I like how they're different. This one had the purple in it. Very cool. I'm actually very impressed with myself. I like it a lot. This is the one that I ran out of dye on, so it's not as nice, but I'm gonna lay them flat out and they have to air dry because they're still kind of, there's a bug, because they still have to air dry. And then I have to put them in the dryer on high for 20 minutes and then wash them, apparently. So I will report back. Now 2 days after I started filming this video and the shirts are finally done. I'm actually so happy with the way that they turned out. I think the Squid Game one is my favorite. I definitely want to do more. I think next time I'd probably go thrifting and see if I can find just some like plain white t-shirts or like t-shirts like this with like, you know, white but some graphic on them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Maybe this video has inspired you to go out and do some tie-dye. I definitely encourage you to. It was a lot of fun. I feel like activities like this are just like therapeutic more than anything. It's like a good use of your time because it's, you know, fun. And you get such a cool product in the end. I feel like that's the best part. Shout out to Sasha Lee who inspired me to make this video. And yeah, peace out.